since you walked away. I'm lost in the tide. I gave you my heart, I gave you my soul. You were my fire when my nights were cold. Now I'm standing here with a broken dream, searching for love in a silent stream. Why you leave me in this stormy weather, when I thought we'd ride the waves together? Heartbreak burning like a fire inside. I'm smiling outside, but I'm breaking inside. I was hoping we could last forever, through the sunshine and the rainy weather. Now I'm walking alone with this pain I hide, missing your love every night, every time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your love was sweet like an island breeze, a summer song dancing through the trees. Now it's just silence and empty sea, a lonely heart where you used to be. I call your name when the stars shine bright, hoping you hear me in the middle of the night. Girl, come back, heal this wounded heart. I never wanted us to fall apart. No more tears, no more pretending. Every broken heart needs time for mending. Under these reggae skies I'll carry on, even a faded love can live in a song. Why you leave me in the stormy weather, when I thought we'd ride the waves together? Heartbreak burning like a fire inside, but I'll find my way with the rhythm and time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the rhythm of the night, I'll find my way. One more sunrise, one more healing day. Your love was a melody I'll always remember, a bittersweet song that lives forever.